Okay, let us begin new topic, that is area. What is the area? Area is the space within the given figure is called as area. Inside area space we call it as area. Which of the two figures occupies more surface? Figure B is bigger, so it occupies more space. See, inside in A as well as inside in figure B, which has taking more area, that is B. How are you going to measure the area and going to write down the answer? Area is measured in square units of length. Suppose if it is smaller, centimeters. Suppose if it is a bigger, we write it in meter. Area of a small objects such as notebooks or pencil box is measured in square centimeters. It won't take meters, it will be only centimeters. So square meters we are going to write in front of the answer. Area of a bigger surface such as playground is measured in square meters. See, earlier before writing meter we are going to write square spelling. Let us see the figure. Area of a regular figures. Find the area of the given figures. See, first blue line you see. You can check. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Find a closed figure. How many squares? 12. So what is the area of this figure? Area of a figure A is equals to 12 square centimeter by 1 box, 1 side for 1 centimeter. 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter. So how many boxes are there? 12 boxes. Area of a square, 12 square centimeter, or you can write as 12 cm2. In the figure B, see the borders are red here, but B is written, and how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means how much is the area in figure B? In figure B we have 4 squares, and that thing we can write as 4 square centimeters. Square is written for area. In perimeter we don't write square. Area of a rectangle. See, similarly as we have done it for square, rectangle shape is the in one line how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in one line. So like that we have 3 lines. So what will be the formula? Area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. This thing you have to see. Earlier, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, what was the formula? 2 into L plus B. Whereas to find the area, it is length into breadth. Area of a square. Area of a square, what it will be? Side into side. Area of a square is equals to side into side, because square, all sides are equal. Let us take one example. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 9 cm and the breadth is 5 cm. Two things are given. One is length and one is breadth. That shows it is rectangle. Area of rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth. Length is 9 and breadth is 5. If you multiply, you will get 45 square centimeter. See, answer SQ point centimeter we have written. The next one is find the area of a square whose size is 24 centimeter. Side of a square is 24 given. Formula is area of a square is equals to side into side. If you multiply side into side, you will get 576 square centimeters. Okay, let us see activity 4. Find the area of the following. Area of each square is 1 square centimeter. How many boxes are there? 4. So it will be 4 square centimeter. Similarly, B 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means 8 and 12. It will be 12 square centimeter. Remaining questions, I have done it in the notebook. See, activity 4. Find the area of the following. 1 square is equals to 1 square centimeter. 4 boxes were given. That means 4 into 1. That will be 4 square centimeter. B is done. Then question number 2. Find the area of a rectangle whose A. length is given and breadth is given. Rectangle has length and breadth. So formula is area of rectangle length into breadth. 24 into 9. If you multiply, it will be 9 4s are 36, 3 carry over, 6 below. Then 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 3, 18, 19, 20 and 21. It will be 216 square centimeter. B, 30 is the length and 18 is the breadth. 30 into 18 if you do, it will be 540 square centimeter. Then find the square. Side is equals to 7 centimeter. Area of a square is equals to side into side formula. 17 into 17, if you multiply, you will get 289 square centimeter. Similarly, B, area of a square. If one side is 21 centimeter, the other side is also 21 because it is a square. So, do the multiplication, you will get 441. Similarly, C, D. Then question number 4. The length and the breadth of a rectangular table is 280 centimeter as well as 125. Find the area of table. Length of rectangle, write down the statement. First write down length and then breadth. Then formula, area is equals to L into B, 2 into 125. Multiply, you will get 35,000 square centimeter as area. Question number 5. Find the area of a square tile whose side is 32 centimeter. Above question was of rectangle. This is of square. So, if one side is given is enough so that we can find for remaining all the three. Length of a side of a square tile is equals to 32 centimeter. Area is equals to side into side formula. 32 into 32, it will be 1024 as the square centimeter.